ship is only just staying still. Look, how is that ship staying still? It's not like it's staying still. Look at the current.
Yeah, it's giving it the same amount of forward as the falls is giving it the reverse.
Yeah, but I just it doesn't look like it's
Like all stemming and tide, same idea. It's kind of sit there.
That must be pretty hard though.
Really?
Current and stuff.
A little bit of wheeling back and forth. Not that hard.
You're well not impressed, are you?
Oh, I'm very impressed.
The noise of it, that rumbling. Yeah, the Canadian Falls is way better.
Yeah, maybe we'll let you stay after all.
I'd like to thank my mom and my dad and like my brother.
Thank God. And I like to thank my people. I like to thank my homies, y'all.
I thank Grant.
I like to thank Nashville, Tennessee for letting us all coming out.
Oh yeah, thank you everyone.
Thank you, Made of the Miss.
Made of the Miss.
Thank you, Rosalind.
Thank you, Phil. You don't get that. I'm gonna make you look at your senders.
No, Phil.
Phil and Grant, what's his surname?
Phil. Like Dr. Phil? What you need is to stop beating your wife.
Yay! I like Dr. Phil.
Dr. Phil's a jacktard.
They're all jacktards, but he's entertaining. Like I used to watch him when I was working out.
What you are is 600 pounds. You need to stop eating.
Yay!
Idiot.
They're your neighbours. Mitchell. Phil and Grant Mitchell.
Phil and Grant Mitchell?
Yeah.
Is it Grant or Grant?
Grant.
Grant?
Grant? Yeah, it's Grant.
Good attempt, good attempt.
If you were from the north, Grant, right? But I don't know.
Turning around, maybe. Let's do something.
Surely you wouldn't have to power out of there, just let it go.
He's probably going, oh, he's still going ahead. Oh, he's going, there's a faster current on the opposite side that'll push him around.
Could that topple?
Sorry?
It looks quite like it could topple.
I doubt it. In order to be in here, I bet you Transport Canada would, or actually that's the US one, according to the flag. Oh, that's right, that's the one. Transport Canada would be really stringent with their laws. It seems really stable, like it's not moving much. There's a lot of people up there. They must have a lot of weight from the Niagara Falls that thing down the bottom.